Welcome to our channel. We are touching down in Flores after a heart-pounding 2-hour drive from Panajachel to Guatemala City.
Yeah, it's in the jungle, bro. Buenas tardes.
Buenas. Buenas.
Ooh-wee. Welcome to Mundo Maya. Huh? Muchas gracias.
¿Vamos a Manchón?
No, tenemos.
Allá tienen un beso. Excelente.
Mucho calor. Gracias.
Our ride's here, let's go! Welcome to Enigma Wonders, where we wander around the world exploring diverse cultures, rich heritage, and the natural beauty and wonders of this beautiful place we call home. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for future videos where we showcase hidden gems across the globe from one destination to another.
Mayas, el lagarto. La cima de la montaña tiene parentela un lagarto dormido.
Oh.
And the mouth looks like it's closed, and the rigid back right there. Oh man, this is beautiful.
¿Podemos continuar?
Sí,
Yeah.
gracias.
Solamente lagartos.
Lagartos,
Okay.
alligators. Gracias.
As the fiery sun dips below the horizon, the sky started to put on a show, treating us to a spectacular, dazzling sunset that sets the entire jungle ablaze. The sky paints a breathtaking canvas of hues that bathes the ancient trees and lush foliage in a golden embrace of a cotton candy, orange golden glow. Someone wake me up. I must be dreaming. We are in the heart of the jungle, in the mystical land of Tikal.
Wow. Buenas noches. Gracias. This is fabulous. Oh man. Huh?
After checking into our rustic yet charming jungle lodge, we couldn't wait to dig into some grub, so we eagerly indulged in a delicious dinner. But here in the jungle, time flows a bit differently. The hotel adhered to a strict electricity schedule. And by 9 p.m., the lights went out. Surprisingly, we didn't mind at all, because what followed was absolutely magical. We were awakened by a real downpour, and it was amazing. The sound of raindrops on the roof was like nature's own soothing melody. A lullaby from Mother Nature herself, promising an unforgettable experience. Our only concern is whether the heavy rain will dampen the sunrise tour. With finger crossed, we are hoping for clear skies in the morning.
In the world, we have a register of 1,400 different species of cactus, but the 90% are from the arid areas, the normal cactus from the deserts. The 10% are typified cactus like the orchids. They don't need roots because they take the humidity and the cold in the wind, and it's enough. They just need the other plant to go up to take the sun. We call this one, this is the dragon fruit, la pitaya. The big tree, the ceiba tree. This is also a ceiba, but this is small. No? The other one is 35 meters tall. And it's easier to understand looking that one why the Maya they choose this tree as the universal connection, the universal axis. I'm going to talk about the ceiba and the meaning, its meaning in the Maya part of the Orion belt. This is the triangle, and they call this triangle Oshtetun, the three stones. And the constellation was Akek, the turtle stars. And they said that in the middle of this triangle, there is the breath of the heart of the universe. This is the origin of the life. The astronomers from the NASA, they were very surprised when they discovered the nebula, the M42, because it's in the center of these three stars. And it's the place where the recycle is happening. The nebula is absorbing the cosmic dust or energy and is creating new stars. How they knew, we don't know. But the same, the Greeks, the Egyptians, they were talking about these situations. We had a doctor in astronomy like 2 months ago, and I asked him, if you want to share something with us, it's welcome, no? And he was explaining about some constellations, specifically about Orion. And one lady asked him, why the ancient people, they knew too much about the sky if they hadn't technology? And he said, it's because they knew how to talk with the nature.
The eyes.
They observed the sky a long time, and the knowledge was passing from generation to generation. They arrived at a very high level of knowledge about astronomy and mathematics.
To truly savor this unique adventure, we needed to be as quiet as the ancient stone ruins that surrounds us, while we wait for the jungle to come alive. And then, as if nature itself orchestrated the moment, the jungle begins to stir. In the distance, the unmistakable roars of howler monkeys fills the air. It is a symphony of life, a harmonious awakening. As the early morning light pierced through the dissipating clouds and mist, we barely caught a glimpse of what lay ahead. Birds start singing choruses, gentle rustle of leaves. The jungle is putting on a show just for us. And boy, are we loving it? Our hotel, nestled deep within Tikal National Park, is more than just a place to rest. It is a portal to an ancient world. Our journey has only just begun, and with the jungle coming alive around us, we can hardly contain our excitement. What will the sunrise at Tikal reveal to us? Stay tuned for the next thrilling chapter of our adventure.
I guess they figure by the time the sun's bright, it won't make sense anymore because it's so cloudy. Yeah, today was my lucky day. Okay, we did it, huh?
Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.